Fabulous people, welcome to the channel for all the vibes who create their own life trends. My name is Anastasia, and today I decided to create a Greece travel vlog and take you to the Greek island of Antiparos. So when you start planning your Greek vacation, you can decide if it's worth visiting or not. And of course, at the end of this video, I'll give you my opinion. And before we get going, I would be so grateful if you smash that like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I would be so happy to have you a part of my community. All right, fabulous people, let's go travel.
I put together all the pieces, and now it's time for me to fly away.
All right, fabulous people, really quick, believe it or not, we're in the car on the ferry that is going from Paros to Antiparos. What an experience. I'm about to go outside and show you the entire thing, but pretty much the ferries from Paros to Antiparos run every single day, Monday through Sunday. It only takes 7 minutes to get from one island to another, so it's very quick, very convenient. No need to pre-book your tickets. And by the way, on their website it says that you can only purchase tickets in cash, but no, you don't, fabulous people. Just use your credit cards. It's super easy. They accept credit cards, just so you know. So you are absolutely fine with cards, and it only costs, I don't know if you can see it, but it only costs €1.20 per person, and if you bring your car it costs additional €6.30. So very convenient, very quick, very inexpensive way to travel between the islands. All right, and now let's go see what's going on. The first place on Antiparos Island I couldn't wait to visit is Fanari Beach. It's a small beach, well protected from the wind, with plenty of trees to protect from the summer heat. There are sunbeds and umbrellas throughout the beach that you can rent, as well as some water sports like canoeing to engage in.
Since you told me what could become of me, I put together all the pieces, and now it's time for me to fly away. Everything is
The next stop on my things to see on this stunning Greek island was Antipos Cave, situated just 8 kilometers from Antiparos town Korra. This natural wonder is the #1 attraction of Antiparos Island. It's the only vertical cave in all of Europe with a depth of approximately 85 meters. Next on my list was Amantima, a charming pebbly beach with crystal clear waters and rocky sea bottom. I didn't spend much time here, but from what I saw, it is very well organized with sunbeds, beach bar and a restaurant. Alright, off to the next one! Soros, the largest beach on Antiparos Island, is very popular, especially during high season. It is wide, with clean sandy beach, deep blue waters and greenery all around. Out of all the beaches in Antiparos, this is the one that definitely gave me luxurious Mykonos vibes.
I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of what we have been. Sleeping with your back.
All right, fabulous. We are at Captain Pipinos God, I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. And this place is a famous fish taverna. Fish in this place supposed to be one of the best, the freshest on the island. The options are endless, as you guys can tell from the menu. So I am super hungry. I've been exploring Antiparos all morning long. I'm ready to eat.
'Cause tonight we have it all. We're missing is one.
Guys, look how well they're treating my beer.
Before I left this part of the island, I wanted to check out really quick Iosiorios. This stunning beach is sheltered in a picturesque bay, and from here you can embark on several boat trips to nearby islands. My final stop on this breathtaking Greek island is the village of Korra, the main town and port of Antiparos. This whitewashed, cycladic town won me over the second I saw it. If you come to Antiparos, a walkthrough is an absolute must. Here you will find incredible selection of boutiques, souvenir shops, tavernas, cafes and bars. Inside Antiparos, Korra is the castle of Antiparos. You may not notice it directly as it is not a standalone castle. Instead, it is a part of the town buildings. The castle was built as a protection measure against pirates. Antiparos is ideal for a day trip or for those who want a secluded, peaceful Greek island. I came here without any expectation and Antiparos just won me over. Will I be back? Absolutely. Please remember to smash that like button, and if you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and inspiration from Greece and around the world. I will see you all in the next video. Happy travels, fabulous!